Now let us consider a problem which was asked in NEET 2016. I will read this problem first. At what height from the surface of the earth the gravitation potential and the value of G are minus 5.4 into 10 to the power of 7 joule per kg and 6 meter per second square. Radius of the earth is 6400 kilometer. We know that the gravitational potential at the surface is given as minus gm by r. At a height h is given as minus gm by r plus h. The acceleration due to gravity of the earth at the surface is given as gm by r square, or at a height it is given as gm by r plus h whole square. On dividing one by the other, gm will get cancelled, 1 r plus h will get cancelled, so vh by gh is equal to minus of r plus h. Now let us substitute the values. vh is equal to minus 5.4 into 10 to the power of 7 by gh is 6, that's equal to minus of r plus h. R is 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 plus h. Minus will get cancelled. This will give you 9 into 10 to the power of 6. So 9 into 10 to the power of 6 is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 plus h. So h is equal to 2.6 into 10 to the power of 6 meter, or 2600 kilometer. I hope you understood this. So like this you can solve any kind of problem, even it may be given at the depth also. Before we conclude this, the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth is how much? 0. Gravitational potential